How can you always find a common denominator? In the previous videos, you learned how to find common denominators by expanding or reducing fractions. But it is not always possible to find a common denominator with these methods. In this video, you will learn a method that always finds you a common denominator. You can find a common denominator by multiplying all the denominators together. This means that all the fractions are to be expanded by the denominators in the other fractions. Let's use this method in a problem. You want to calculate 1/2 plus 5/3. Here, you can't expand 1/2 and get 3 as a denominator, nor can you reduce 5/3 to get 2 as the denominator. Therefore, you expand each fraction with the denominator of the other fraction. One denominator is 2 and the other is 3. This means that you must expand 1/2 by 3 and 5/3 by 2. Let's expand 1/2 by 3 first. 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. 1/2 is therefore equal to 3/6. Next, you expand 5/3 by 2. 5 times 2 is 10, and 3 times 2 is 6. So, 1/2 plus 5/3 is equal to 3/6 plus 10/6. Since 3 plus 10 is 13, 3/6 plus 10/6 equals 13/6. 13/6 is the final answer. It cannot be reduced further because 13 and 6 have no common factors. Let's try this method in a problem with more fractions. 3/4 minus 2/3 plus 3/2. Here, the denominators are 4, 3, and 2. You need to expand 3/4 by 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. Then, you expand 2/3 by 4 times 2, which is 8. Finally, you expand 3/2 by 4 times 3, which is equal to 12. You expand 3/4 by 6. 3 times 6 is 18, and 4 times 6 is 24. 3/4 may therefore be expanded to 18/24. Then you expand 2/3 by 8 and get 2 times 8, which is 16, and 3 times 8, which is 24. 2/3 may then be expanded to 16/24. Lastly, you expand 3/2 by 12. 3 times 12 is 36, and 2 times 12 is 24. 3/2 may thus be expanded to 36/24. You see that the common denominator is 24. Now you need to calculate 18/24 minus 16/24 plus 36/24. 18 minus 16 equals 2. 2 plus 36 equals 38. So, the answer is 38/24. Both 38 and 24 are even numbers, so this answer may be reduced by 2. 38 divided by 2 equals 19, and 24 divided by 2 equals 12. The final answer is 19/12. When solving a fraction problem with addition and subtraction, you can always find a common denominator by multiplying the denominators.